Congratulations on receiving a formal invitation to join us as owners of the most amazing metal debit card in the world. You cannot be turned down, so welcome. You're going to absolutely love the sound your new Z Black Card makes when you toss it to make your purchases. Everyone around you will wonder if you're a celebrity. Do you play professional sports? Or they'll simply think you're rich. It's really fun. What's really cool is when you toss your card on the table after having dinner with friends, or when you're out on a date with that special someone. They'll be very impressed, to say the least. Owning a Z Black Card simply makes paying for things a whole lot more entertaining. Plus, it will save you a ton of money on fees, while also allowing you to build a residual income when you invite others to join you as a cardholder, just as one of our cardholders did with you. In other words, you must be invited by a cardholder in order to become a cardholder. To order your card today, simply scroll down and select a design. Then choose whether you want our MasterCard or our Unlimited International Visa. Next, you'll need to carefully select your rewards plan. Then decide if you would like to take advantage of our Elite Upgrade option, which can be extremely important if you wish to use our card to build a big business. Your card will be shipped to you priority mail if you're in the USA, or through DHL if you're in another country. Either way, you'll be tossing your new Metal Z Black Card onto counters everywhere within a few short days of placing your order. Welcome to Z Black Card.